Hello, welcome to Vintage Cookbooks and Crafts. Today, out of this 1935 cookbook titled Modern Menus and Recipes by Lucy G. Allen, I am going to make chicken and chutney sandwiches. When I was paging through this book and I came across the chicken and chutney sandwich, I realized that I have never tasted chutney. Here I am in my 70s and I haven't tasted chutney. I've seen the recipe in canning books and cookbooks, but I've never purchased it, never made it. So today we are going to make the chicken and chutney sandwiches, and I'll find out what chutney tastes like. When I looked up information on chutney, most of the brands were for Major Grey Mango Chutney. And the story is that Major Grey was a 19th century British officer in India, and he came up with the recipe for this specific chutney. There are different flavors, different fruits, different spices in the different chutneys. So I went out and I found Major Grey's Mango Chutney. So that's what we're going to use today. So to start out with, I have 2 tablespoons of butter in this bowl. And it says, to cream the butter, add chicken finely chopped, and then add the chutney. This calls for 1 cup of finely chopped. So first I'll cream the butter. I'm adding the 1 cup of finely chopped chicken. And oh goodness, I'm going to have to get my opener to open this for me. It calls for 2 tablespoons of chopped chutney. It says chopped chutney, so I'm going to put it in this cup for a minute and see if I can get these. There's pieces of fruit in here, and I'm going to, they look like a pepper or something. I can smell the tang. Okay, that's 2 tablespoons. It says to chop the chutney. So I'm just going to use this knife that I used on the chicken and just kind of make those fruit pieces a little bit smaller. And then add it to the chicken and butter mixture. Well, this is easy as it gets. Easy peasy. Now the 2 tablespoons really doesn't show like a sauce or something in there. It's just giving it flavor, evidently. Okay, Then it says, spread between thin slices of buttered bread. And I have buttered bread right here. This is whole wheat bread that I had in the house, so that's what I'm using. So it looks like it makes the amount that's in here. Two sandwiches, unless you want it spread thinner on there. Oh, maybe 3 sandwiches. And get it all the way to the edges. There's enough for a 3rd sandwich in here. Oh, gotta get that edge better. And this will be our lunch today. I'm going to taste what this chutney tastes like all by itself. Oh, it is spicy. It has a tang, like a sweet sour tang, but then it has a little bit of a kick to it. Especially after I swallowed it, it's kind of hot spicy. Oh, that's good. Okay, I'm gonna move this out of the way, and then I'll bring the camera over here to get a close-up. This is the chicken and chutney sandwiches from the 1935 Modern Menus and Recipes by LucyGAllen. And you can see little bits of fruit, and here you can see little bits of pepper, red pepper. I should take a bite of this, shouldn't I? I'm going to take a bite and see how it is. It's like a chicken salad sandwich with a little different flavor. I like it. I might make this again. I hope you enjoyed this short little video of me making our lunch today with the recipe book from LucyGAllen, Modern Menus and Recipes from 1935. Goodbye for now.